Hello traders, in this video we are going to be discussing the Vortex Sniper Forex System. Now this system consists of the FX Vortex indicator and the Vortex Dash indicator. So we're going to be adding both of them to the chart, the Vortex Dash and the FX Vortex. So here we go. As you can see, the indicator, or rather the system, uh, predicts potential take profit levels and stop loss levels, right? As you can see, the FX Vortex shows us 3 take profit levels and a potential entry point, right? And then a stop loss level. So when this signal was given, this particular line is going to be our entry point, right? And then this is TP1, TP2, TP3, and then SL here, right? And then we have the Vortex Dash, which shows some useful information such as the currency pair in which the indicator was added, the time frame, and then price. I think this should be spread or thereabout, and then time left for current candle, right? And then we have the 100 days ATR, and then we have the current bar high low, previous bar high low. We have the swap long and swap short. So useful information being displayed on the chart. All right. So basically, traders can take advantage of this indicator, to get idea on to get precise entry points, take profit levels and stop loss levels, and also get idea of some useful information being displayed by the Vortex Dash indicator. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. In the meantime, thank you for watching. See you in the next one.